भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं सुखी जिसने तृष्णा मारी गुरु भक्ति है उसको प्यारी हरि चरण वो हृदय में चुमता काम करता या जब सोता उठ जाग अंजनी अखिया खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजोरि भाई गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजोरि भाई गोविंदम घर न घाट न कोई निवास न भूख सता न लागे प्यास हर हाल में जो राजी रहता कृष्ण कन्हैया को सोही पाता उठ जाग अंजनी अखिया खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजोरि भाई गोविंदम 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 भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजोरि भाई गोविंदम।
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labour all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife, my best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
अंधियारे में प्राणपति, महर में तुम मुस्कुराते हो।
नभ के सूरज चांद तारों में तुम चमकते हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। सुंदर प्यारे प्रभु हमारे, समुद्र से मोती लाते हो।
भक्तों के प्यारे सुंदरता में न्यारे, अद्भुत तेज की ज्योति हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। युग युग तेरी ज्योत जागे, हर युग में तेरी लीला पार हो।
कल युग में बाजे नाम नगारा, ये गिरधारी तुम अति सुंदर हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
अनंत लोक के नाथ तुम हो, कर जोर प्रणाम करता हूँ।
नूरी दर की दासी, दर्शन की प्यासी, तेरा गंगा जल रोज पीता रहूं। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
श्री नूरी ग्रंथ, पेज 886। जा तोखे वणे, जा मालिक तोखे वणे, साई असां सां बणे। हाण बि रहम जी धर निगाह, दर बदर थिया थई बेगुनाह। अबलाउन अधीनन जी सुण पुकार, नूरी रोए ज़ारों ज़ार. Whatever be your wish, O Lord, let only that befall us, which is your wish. The innocent ones are distressed and desolate. Pray, bestow on them your glance of mercy. Pray, listen to the pleas of the oppressed ones and helpless women, which makes me shed endless tears, says Noori.
जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय गोपी जन वल्लभ, जय गोपी जन वल्लभ. जय गिरिवरधारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. ओ यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. यशोदानन्दन ब्रिज जन रञ्जन. जमुना तीर बनचारी, जमुना तीर बनचारी. जय कुंज विहारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय गोपी जन वल्लभ, जय गोपी जन वल्लभ. जय गिरिवरधारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. जय राधा माधव, जय कुंज विहारी. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. वासुदेवाय 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 ॐ वासुदेवाय 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 ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ
गोविन्द नारायण पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले
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 पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले
पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले
पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले
पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले
गोविंद नारायण पांडुरंग विठ्ठले
गोविन्द नारायण पाण्डुरङ्ग विठ्ठले
पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले
पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले पंढरीवास हरि पुरंदर विठ्ठले गंगाधराय नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः परमेश्वराय नमः लिंगेश्वराय नमः परमेश्वराय नमः लिंगेश्वराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर हराय नमः शिव शिव शिवाय नमः हर हर हराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः मृत्युंजयाय नमः शिव शिव हराय नमः गौरी प्रियाय नमः शिव तांडवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः लिंगेश्वराय नमः परमेश्वराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः चंद्रशेखराय नमः गंगाधराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Namo. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Om Namo. Chandrasekharaya, Gangadharaya, Parameshwaraya Namo. Lingeshwaraya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Namo. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Namo. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya Namo. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Uma Maheshwara, Gauri Priya Sundara. Shambho, Uma Maheshwara, Gauri Priya Sundara. Shambho, Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Samadana Priya Shankara, Prema Hriday Ravi Shankara. Samadana Priya Shankara, Prema Hriday Ravi Shankara. Nartana Shiva Parameshwara, Nartana Shiva Parameshwara. Ishvara Jagadishvara, Ishvara Jagadishvara. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho. Jai Jai Shankar Sam Sada Shiv. Shiv Shiv Shankar Sam Sada Shiv. Jai Jai Shankar Sam Sada Shiv. Shiv Shiv Shankar Sam Sada Shiv. Nandi Vahana Namah Shivaya, Neelakanta Shiv Namah Shivaya. Nandi Vahana Namah Shivaya, Neelakanta Shiv Namah Shivaya. Mrityunjay Shiv Namah Shivaya, Namo Namo Namah Shivaya, Namo Namo Namah Shivaya. Shankara Shiv Shankara, Shankara Pralayankara, Shankara Bhayangara. Ganga Jatavani Namah Shivaya, Mahadev Shiv Namah Shivaya. Ganga Jatavani Namah Shivaya, Mahadev Shiv Namah Shivaya. Surmuni Sevit Namah Shivaya, Namo Namo Namah Shivaya, Namo Namo Namah Shivaya, Namo Namo Namah Shivaya. Shambho, 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 Shambho. Shambho, Shiv Shambho, Hari Shambho, Hari Shambho.
Meditation for growing in the spirit of forgiveness and letting go. They tell me that one of my books, which has sold most worldwide, is Burn Anger Before Anger Burns You, published by Gita Publishing House, 10 Sadhu Vaswani Path, Pune, 411001, India. This points to the reality that anger and resentment darken our lives to such an extent that we do not know how to free ourselves from its terrible shadows. The escape lies through the healing path of forgiveness. Forgiveness. Forgiveness can liberate you, set you free from the clutches of wrath, resentment, and bitterness. This meditation will help you grow in the spirit of forgiveness. If you hold a grudge against someone, you may not harm that person, but surely you are harming yourself. So forgive, 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 and be free. Step number 1 is the step of relaxation. Let us relax. Relax every muscle, every limb, every nerve in the body. Make it tension free. If you like, you may mentally picture the body in the form of a huge sack of potatoes. The sack is cut at the middle, allowing the potatoes to roll out. How relaxed is the empty sack. Let the body feel relaxed likewise. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Now let the mind be free of worries of the past and fears or expectations of the future. Let us live in the present, the here and the now. Now let us sit in a comfortable posture so that we will not need to change it for a period of about 10 minutes. Let us sit comfortably, preferably in a cross-legged position, and keep our spine erect. If you so choose, you can sit in a chair, keeping your spine erect and your feet gently touching the floor. Now take in 3 deep breaths. As you breathe deeply, be relaxed. Begin. Breathe in slowly, evenly, deeply. Now exhale slowly, completely. Repeat. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we move on to step number 2. Meditate on the following image. Picture a bright, merry fire that you have lit in a courtyard. Contemplate the fire for a few minutes. Fire burns and destroys. It also purifies. What would you like to throw into the fire so that it is destroyed forever? Think of the anger, the resentment, and the bitterness that are pent up in you. Think of all the unhappiness and distress they have caused you. Isn't it time these were destroyed in the bright, dancing flames? Picture yourself throwing your negative emotions in the fire, one by one. Anger, envy, resentment, jealousy. Notice the fire flaring up as these negative emotions are destroyed, watch the flames consume all that is unpleasant and negative. Watch it all turn to ashes. The fire has not only destroyed your anger and resentment, it has at the same time purified your heart by cleansing the clutter of unforgiving attitudes. Stir the ashes. Make sure everything is burnt up. When the embers have died and the ashes are cold, clean them away Sweep your courtyard clean. We move on to step number 3. End your meditation with deep breathing. Exhale love and peace to the whole world. Inhale love and joy from the process of interior purification. Allow a feeling of peace, tolerance, understanding and sympathy to descend on you. Arise with the contented feeling that you hold no resentment within you, that you have forgiven everything and everyone. Now let us rub the palms of our hands together. Place them gently on the eyelids and gently, very gently open the eyes. This is the end of this meditation. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.